This is a 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500, and it has the Z71 4-wheel drive package on it. It is an LT trim. It's got some Goodyear Wrangler tires. Those are LT 265 7017. It is a double cab, so the half size rear door. It's got the black cloth seats, 40-20-40 split bench. Got the rubber floor mats, Z71 door sill plates. Got a dual glove box. Locking on the top, and then normal on the bottom with your owner's manual there inside. It does have the front window tint strip on the top for the sun. Got your mats there on the bottom. There's a 12-volt port here on the back side of the console. It does have a drop-in bed liner. Red painted bow tie, tow package, backup camera, reverse parking sensors. The black cloth seats, power adjustable for the driver, power windows, locks, and side mirrors. It does have the trailer brake controller. There's your 4-wheel drive, as well as your automatic headlights. It has 133,000 miles. There's your cruise control, wipers, Bluetooth, there's your backup camera, got AM FM radio, got your compass, dual zone automatic climate control. It's got your power adjustable pedals, traction control, cab light, parking sensors, electronic downhill assist. You got a 110 port down here, 12-volt, and a cubby, a little storage there. Here in the center console, we have some storage as well. Has some more ports here, 2 USB, SD, auxiliary, and a 12-volt. Up top on the mirror, you have your OnStar. Got a power sliding rear glass, LED map lights, built-in garage door opener. And this truck is remote keyless entry, and it does have remote start here.